students. In part 2nd of social studies, I had taught you about the humans of Paleolithic age, their food habits, use of tools, about their shelters, about their clothing, social life, and so on. Today, I am going to teach you the Mesolithic age. The Mesolithic age had a short span when compared to the Paleolithic age. It extended from 10,000 BC to 8,000 BC, covering a period of just 2,000 years. In old archaeology, Mesolithic age is known as Middle Stone Age. In Greek, Mesos means middle and lithos means stone. So, Mesolithic is the period between the Paleolithic age and Neolithic age. The Mesolithic age has different time spans in different parts of Eurasia. It means they did not have same time period everywhere. Now we will study about microliths, advanced stone tools. Stone tools used in this age were more refined, smaller, finer, lighter, and advanced than those used in the previous age. Previous age here means Paleolithic age. These tools were called microliths. Stone tools used in this age were the collection of flints, swords, the range of stone tools used by people during the Mesolithic age. It includes an axe, as you can see on the top left side in the picture, a flint core, top right side in the picture, and scrapers, middle left, burin, middle center in the picture, and blades, bottom right side. The axe heads were fixed into a wooden handle and used like axes today. Climate. In this age, the climate became more warmer and drier than before. The positive changes in the climate improved the life of plants, animals, and humans also. These changes were accompanied by a growth in forests and a major redistribution of plants and animals. The positive changes in the climate improve the life of plants, animals, and humans. Now, new kinds of plants like wheat, barley, rice, etc., were seen in this age. In this way, they developed their agriculture also. Food. In this age, humans started eating the seeds of the plants as food. Slowly, they also learned to grow them as crops. Humans also domesticated animals for milk, wool, transports, and as beasts of burden, shelter. The Mesolithic age was a time of transition from caves and huts to huts and caves. People started living in houses in this age. Most of them still lived in caves and rock shelters. Humans in Mesolithic age made sun-baked clay. Pots were used to store food and water. The bow and arrow invented either late in the Paleolithic period or in the Mesolithic period. Thank you.